Now, students, on page number 5, some more topics are given. I am explaining one by one. The interconversion of state of matter on the basis of kinetic theory as in form of diagram. Again, this topic is explained here. For example, in case of solid, the particles are compactly packed. On heating, melting will take place and it will convert into liquid. There is some more space and less force of attraction between particle in case of liquid. On further heating, the process vaporization will take place. In this case, the particles of matter have very less attractive force between them and they are very far away from each other. And the opposite process which will take place will be liquefaction on cooling, and there will be decreasement in the space between them and increasement in the force of attraction. On further cooling, there will be solidification, conversion of liquid to solid. In this case, the attraction further increases and finally there will be very less space between them. They are touching with each other. After completing this first heading of this 5th page number, come to next heading on the basis of kinetic theory of matter. There is a differences or comparison of melting and vaporization is given. On heating, solid temperature rises, due to which particles gain energy and heat energy supplied to the solid is absorbed by its molecules and stored as a potential energy, and the interparticle space increases. Stored potential energy increases the space, interparticle attraction decreases, force of attraction between them decreases. At melting point, the particle become free, molecules become free, and the solid changes to liquid. This is the process which is taking place during melting according to kinetic molecular theory. Now, in case of vapor, on heating liquids, temperature rises, particles gain energy, heat energy supplied to the liquid is absorbed by its molecules and stored as a potential energy. After this, interparticle attraction decreases, force of attraction decreases at almost negligible, and at boiling point the particles become free. Molecules become completely free and escape as a gas. After completing these melting and vaporization comparison, come to the next, that is the comparison given between liquefaction and solidification. In this case, on cooling gases, the temperature falls, means decreases, particle loses energy. On cooling the gas, the potential energy in the molecules is released as a heat, interparticle space decreases greatly, released potential energy decreases the space, interparticle attraction increases, force of attraction between particles decreases. At a liquefaction point, the particles slow down, molecules are not in a position to be free, and the gaseous state changes into liquid state. Means these things which will take place during process liquefaction, means when heat is taken out from the substance, means the heat energy is decreased on cooling, due to which these type of changes will take place. In case of solidification, On cooling the liquids, the temperature falls, particles lose energy. On cooling the liquid, potential energy in the molecules is released as a heat energy. Interparticle space decreases. This means released potential energy decreases the space. Interparticle attraction increases. Force of attraction between particles increases, and at the solidification point the particles slow down. Molecules are not in a position to be free and the liquid become solid.